heard all the policemen who were demolishing were saying this farm is for Miss Mugabe, and we have to move here because she wants to put livestock here. So otherwise it shows that livestock is more important rather than people. Our parents fought for the land, but now the land is being allocated to the otherwise they are white people from ourselves. There are someone who we can say is more special rather than others, because she have to live alone, but the land was fought. Even our fathers fought for the land, but you don't have to use that land until we die. We don't know where to go.
What is the way forward?
I think the way forward is to stay here as far as the court order says, and we are just waiting for them to give us where to go. We are not denying to go where they allocate us. Just for the sake of our lives, they have to allocate us to another farm so that we can earn a survival. And the farm we should go should be having 3 to 4 hectares of arable land, not 1 hectare. We cannot survive from 1 hectare because we are farmers. We earn our living from farming. So we want an arable land, 3 to 4 hectares, so that we can survive with our children. We have got many children, many livestock. The 1 hectare which they are offering us is just for building our home and for our livestock only. It is not adequate for us to earn a living on that piece of land.
Deep down in your heart, what do you want to say? Deep down in your heart.
Anything you want to say?
Anything that you want to say?
Yes. What I have to say now is that we are living here, but not for our own good, but as far as the court order has said, we are waiting for them to give us another land. That is deep down in my heart. We want another land. All of us, not one person. All of us. And there is just like some like 143 families living in this area. 143. So we want adequate land for the 143 families.